2nd, 2019. 38 degrees in the shade, but there ain't no shade. Let's have a ride there and back to see how far it is. Actually, I'm just going to ride out to Buckrow Beach on this beautiful summer's day. 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees centigrade. Just leaving the house, doing a few different views with the cameras, just experimenting, seeing how things are going. This is Fox Hill Road. I'm going to turn here on to Old Buckrow Beach. Nice turn. It can be done at speed, but there's a bit much traffic today. As we travel down Old Buckrow Road, I'm still wearing my GT2 Air Shoei helmet, my Knox Urbane riding shirt, and my Route 1 riding jeans with Knox armour in the knees. This is Buckrow Beach. It's Tuesday, school's still in session, and the place is goddamn packed. I wanted to park anywhere, I couldn't, but that doesn't matter really. I'm just going out for a ride. It's too hot to be standing around in the sun or on the beach. I'm just going to go up here towards the fishing pier and turn around in their car park. This is coming up to the car park from the rear view. When I turn in here, I've got to be really careful. This is like that modern cobblestone stuff. Horrible to ride on, really horrible. And then right ahead of me is the fishing pier. Costs $2 to go on there. And you have to go buy a fishing license here in Virginia to go fishing. I've never been fishing, never intend to go fishing. Why would I want to go fishing? I have a motorcycle. Heading back now along the beach. Got to ride really careful. There's always little kids running around here, getting lost, and dogs and all sorts of things. I have to slow down. I'm oogling the Baywatch babes in the watchtower. Shh, don't tell my wife. She's going to whoop my ass. I live in a wonderful place, I really do. It takes me 7 minutes to ride to the beach if I want to go to the beach. Lay out and get suntan. Not that I do that very often, but I do have that possibility. As I get older, I feel the necessity to be tanned all the time, less and less and less. Now we're turning back onto Old Buckrow Beach Road. Woo! Old Buckrow Beach Road. I'm going about 10 miles over the speed limit here, just enjoying the weather, the sunshine. I've got months and months and months before I have to worry about weather getting cold. October maybe, November, we'll get down to the 20 degrees Celsius, 65, 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Just before I got home, I remembered we had a public swimming pool close to my house, which I have never actually seen open. So I thought I'd ride past, and it is actually open. I'm thinking of signing up. You have to be a member. So it's public but private in a sort of a way. As long as you live in the area, you can use it. And I might just do that. It's closer than the beach. I can just walk here. Don't have to take anything with me. Going to the beach with a motorcycle has its limitations. So this is the other view. Going back around the car park. And there ahead of us is the swimming pool. So as you can see, today I took out my Triumph T120 2018 model. I don't ride this very often because I have the Indian Chieftain, but this is just a fun thing to ride. It doesn't take any strength, it doesn't take any effort, it's just fun. And this is me arriving home. It's very, very hot. I need to get inside. This is where I'm going to sign up. I'm going to say goodbye, toodle pip, toodaloo, bye bye. You all have a great time.